The city of Hyderabad is a remarkable confluence of the old and the new, a blend of India's north and south. With its rich history and its progressive ethos and cosmopolitan outlook, the city has established itself firmly as a hub of innovation and intellectual prowess on the global IT map. HYSIA, the Hyderabad Software Enterprises Association, plays a prominent part in the story of how the City of Pearls evolved as a prominent jewel in the IT necklace of India. HYSIA emerged as the only association of its kind in India, representing Indian IT's industry, second largest hub, Hyderabad.
Today, HYSIA represents more than 90% of IT associates and export revenues out of Telangana. Our focus and vision have been validated by the fact that Telangana IT industry has been registering phenomenal growth over years. The unstinted support from the state government and its pioneering sectoral policies have played a key role in this achievement.
Being the voice of the industry and to give back to society, HYSIA channels its activities through multiple areas of focus.
In HYSIA CSR, we focus on socially inclusive growth, bringing IT and ITES industries together so that we can pool resources and increase our reach and impact. We focus on three areas. First is education, second is environment, and now considering the COVID, we have also included health.
HYSIA forums provide an opportunity to share best practices, build knowledge, and help members network with the best in the industry.
HYSIA's Industry Academia Forum is focused on bridging the gap between technology industry and the students and fresh graduates of Telangana. There are three key objectives that we have set to ourselves. One is enable placements and improve employability and help encourage the student entrepreneurship.
80% of the members of HYSIA fall under SME category. HYSIA, through several of its initiatives, helps these SMEs in terms of market intelligence dissemination, enablement of competency, and enhancing their market reach.
Each forum gives an opportunity for industry leaders and associates to come together for regular workshops and flagship annual summits.
HYSIA plays an important role in advancing the innovation ecosystem in collaboration with the industry, government, and academia. HYSIA makes an impact through knowledge sharing sessions by means of webinars and workshops.
HYSIA also does a lot of work, and in this mechanism, I can proudly say over this decade and a half, HYSIA would have trained several hundred mid-level business leaders and helped them to advance in their careers. We work with the national and international associations and industry bodies, along with the government, to make sure that the representation is total, it's holistic, and we achieve the results quickly.
HYSIA also focuses on developing leadership, business and technical competencies of member company associates through Tech Series, Biz Series and LDP workshops. To recognize and celebrate industry's performance, HYSIA gives away over 22 awards every year, called the Oscars of IT industry, covering IT services, products, and CSR.
This infrastructure forum, which started 2 years back, has done a lot, but because of the pandemic, the need for us to be able to work from home effectively, efficiently, with a secured manner has become even more important. And look at how we get the future work readiness from the connectivity, speed, security for the IT organizations.
HYSIA has over 200 members. As businesses evolve, we are looking at expanding our net to the wider ecosystem, including startups, academia, and research institutions.
Not the one to rest on its laurels, HYSIA continues to march forward to shape the future of Hyderabad IT industry. With a proactive and supportive government, by focusing on bridging the skills gap, by nurturing innovation, by building world-class infrastructure, and by constantly giving back to society, HYSIA has no doubt the future of IT belongs to Hyderabad.